Hello, my dear listener. Welcome to English Redo channel. I am Mom, and this is my lovely daughter Lily.
Hi friends, I'm Lily.
Today we will talk about simple English sentences that we use every day. These sentences are easy and helpful.
Yes, I like learning English with Mom. It's fun.
Great. So let's start with our morning routine.
Morning routine. Lily, what do you say when you wake up in the morning? I say, good morning. Exactly. Good morning is the first sentence we say to greet everyone in the morning. Good morning. Perfect. And after that, we wash our face and brush our teeth. What do you say then? I can say, I am washing my face, or I am brushing my teeth. Yes, let's say it together. I am washing my face. I am brushing my teeth. Good job. And then, what do we say when we are getting dressed? I can say, I am putting on my clothes. Exactly. And if you want to ask for help, you can say, Mom, can you help me? Mom, can you help me? Yes, Lily, that's perfect English. Review time. Morning sentences. Okay, let's repeat the sentences we learned today in the morning. Lily. Okay, my dear Mom. Good morning. Good morning. I am washing my face.
I am washing my face.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am putting on my clothes.
I am putting on my clothes.
Mom, can you help me? Mom, can you help me? Excellent! Friends, you can say these sentences every morning. Breakfast time. Now, after we get ready, it's breakfast time. Lily, what do you say when you go to the kitchen? I can say, Good morning, Mom. Breakfast is ready? Almost. You can say, Good morning, Mom. Is breakfast ready? Good morning, Mom. Is breakfast ready? Perfect! And when we sit at the table, we can say, I am hungry or I am thirsty. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Good! And when you want to eat something, you can say, May I have some bread? Or can I have some juice? May I have some bread? Can I have some juice? Yes! And don't forget please and thank you. Please. Thank you. Review time. Breakfast sentences. Let's repeat the breakfast sentences.
Okay, my dear Mom.
Good morning, Mom. Is breakfast ready?
Good morning, Mom. Is breakfast ready?
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
May I have some bread?
May I have some bread?
May I have some juice?
May I have some juice?
Please. Please. Thank you. Thank you. Excellent. Friends, try these breakfast sentences at your breakfast table every day. Getting ready for school. Lily, what do we say when we pack our bag? I am packing my bag. Perfect. And when you put on your shoes, what can you say? I am putting on my shoes. Exactly. And when we leave the house, we say, Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Mom. Yes. And if you want to wish someone a good day, you can say, Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Review time. School sentences. Repeat after me. I'll pay, my dear Mom. I am packing my bag. I am packing my bag. I am putting on my shoes. I am putting on my shoes. Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Mom. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Great job, Lily. School and learning. At school, we use many simple sentences. Lily, what do we say when we meet our teacher? Good morning, teacher. Perfect. And when you ask a question in class, you can say, Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Yes. And when you answer a question, you can say, I don't know, or I think the answer is... I don't know. I think the answer is... Excellent. And if you want to ask a friend for help, you can say, Can you help me, please? Review time. School sentences. Repeat after me. Let's review school sentences.
Yes, dear Mom.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I think the answer is...
I think the answer is...
Perfect. Friends, these sentences will help you in school every day. After school, home time. I'm home, Mom. Welcome home, Lily. How was school today? It was fun. We played and learned new words. Wonderful. What should you say when you enter the house? I say, I'm home. Or, I'm back. Yes. And when you greet Grandma, say, Good afternoon, Grandma. Good afternoon, Grandma. Perfect. Now, when you want to tell me something from school, you can say, Mom, guess what? Mom, guess what? We had a spelling test today. That's great. How did it go? I did well, I think. Awesome. Now, let's relax for a bit. You can say, I'm taking a short break. I'm taking a short break. Review time. After school sentences. I'm home. I'm back. Good afternoon, Grandma. Mom, guess what? I'm taking a short break. I'm home. I'm back. Good afternoon, Grandma. Mom,
Guess what? I'm taking a short break.
Helping at home. After school, we can help at home. Lily, do you like helping me? Yes, I like to help. That's nice. You can say, I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room. And if you're helping me in the kitchen, I'm helping Mom in the kitchen. I'm helping Mom in the kitchen. You can also say, I'm setting the table. That means putting plates, spoons, and glasses on the table. I'm setting the table. Perfect. When you finish, say, I'm done, or I finished my work. I'm done. I finished my work. Nice job, my little helper. Review time. Helping at home sentences. I'm cleaning my room. I'm helping Mom in the kitchen. I'm setting the table. I'm done. I finished my work.
I'm cleaning my room. I'm helping Mom in the kitchen. I'm setting the table. I'm done. I finished my work.
Playtime and talking to friends. What do you say to your friends? Let's play together. Yes. Or do you want to play? Do you want to play? Good. When you start a game, say your turn or my turn. Your turn. My turn. And when you win or lose, what should you say? Good game. Exactly. Be kind whether you win or lose. Review time. Play sentences. Let's play together. Do you want to play? Your turn. My turn. Good game. Let's play together. Do you want to play? Your turn. My turn. Good game. Dinner is ready. What do you say when you come to the table?
Let's eat.
That's right. You can also say, dinner smells good.
Dinner smells good.
When you need something, say, can you pass me the salt, please?
Can you pass me the salt, please?
Very polite. And when you finish eating,
I can say I'm full or that was delicious.
excellent. And don't forget, thank you for the food.
Thank you for the food.
Review time. Dinner sentences. Let's eat. Dinner smells good. Can you pass me the salt, please? I'm full. Thank you for the food.
Let's eat. Dinner smells good. Can you pass me the salt, please? I'm full. Thank you for the food.
Homework and study time. What do you say when you open your books?
I say, I'm doing my homework.
Good. And if you need help, Mom, I need help with this.
Mom, I need help with this.
Sure. You can also say, I don't understand this question.
I don't understand this question.
Excellent. When you finish, say, I'm done with my homework.
I'm done with my homework.
Good job. Always review what you learn. Review time. Study sentences. I'm doing my homework. I'm doing my homework. Mom, I need help with this. Mom, I need help with this. I don't understand this question. I don't understand this question. I'm done with my homework. I'm done with my homework. Let's review what I learned. Bedtime routine. It's getting late. What do you say before bed?
Good night, Mom.
Good night, sweetheart. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Before that, what do? We brush our teeth and change into pajamas. Correct. Say, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm putting on my pajamas. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm putting on my pajamas. And before you sleep, you can say, see you in the morning. See you in the morning. Review time. Bedtime sentences. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm putting on my pajamas. Good night, Mom. Sweet dreams. See you in the morning.
I'm brushing my teeth. I'm putting on my pajamas. Good night, Mom. Sweet dreams. See you in the morning.
Everyday useful extra sentences. Let's add some extra sentences we can use anytime.
Okay.
Listen carefully and repeat after me. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Lily. Nice to meet you. Excuse me. I'm sorry. No problem. Don't worry. It's okay. See you later. Take care. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Lily. Nice to meet you. Excuse me. I'm sorry. No problem. Don't worry. It's okay. See you later. Take care. Wonderful. These are sentences we use every day, anytime, anywhere. So, friends, today we learned many daily use English sentences from morning to night. Yes, it was fun! Remember, practice them every day. Speak English with your family, with your friends, even with yourself.
Yes, I'll try to speak English every day.
That's the spirit. Together, thank you for listening to English Daily Chat.
See you next time.
Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye.
Bye.